Hey y'all, how you doing? Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about this Olsa Tools Magnetizer booster. It's a magnetizer, demagnetizer, and we're going to check it out and see what it's all about, huh? So first of all, let's get it out. First of all, this comes in a 2-pack. These are these little, that's what it looks like. Olsa Tools. One end is plastic, the other end has the magnets that you can see. Alright, so it's able to magnetize and demagnetize. Let's get a bit out over here and make a little demonstration how that works. Alright, so I got here a bit here. Let's see if we get some piece of metal. We'll see if it's magnetized already or not. Alright, here's a screw. It's magnetized. So if we put this on here, you'll see that it's a lot more magnetized. See? It's not stronger. Now if we take it off, it's still going to be magnetized pretty good. But now the magic is to demagnetize it. How do you demagnetize it? Sometimes you don't want it to be magnetized. Well, you take the end here with the magnets and you rub it sideways on here, and voila, demagnetized. See that? No magnet. If there is any, you rub it across here again. Oh, make me out to be a liar. There we go. So you must have to just rub it once. And if you want it to magnetize, you just stick it back in there. Magnetized again. Right? Demagnetized. Alright. So that's how the demagnetizer works from the Olsa Tools. They call it a 3-in-1 magnetic booster. It's 2 pieces. The 3-in-1, what is it? Magnetizer, demagnetizer, bit holder. I don't know about bit holder, but the other 2 is good. It does do demagnetizing. And like I said, it's magic. Magnetic booster, orange. The magnetism of your bits is weakened by the daily stresses they endure, such as vibrations, heat, and being dropped. When installed, these magnetic boosters increase the magnetism of your bits by up to 10 times. Part number 1121. Made of nylon, and I can't read that too good. And the Fed magnet. OlsaTools.com, made in Taiwan. Here's the barcode. And looks like it's made in Canada. Well, anyway, Olsa Tools is based in Canada. This is made in Taiwan. So that's it. That's the Olsa Tools Magnetizer Demagnetizer. I showed you how to magnetize your bits. And this will work on screwdrivers too, or anything else you might use. Like if you're going to use a pick like this to magnetize it. That's it for the Olsa Tools Magnetizer. Just a simple little magnetizing bit. It does work on skinnier screwdrivers. I'll show you. I think it'll work on this Phillips head if it fits. Okay, here we go. There's a Phillips magnetized, right? Magnetized. Let's see if we can demagnetize it. There we go. Demagnetized. Oh. Let's try again. Not as strong. Not working too good as I planned. There we go. There we go. See how that worked? Oh. Yeah, see, this must be still magnetized. Yeah, that's the problem. Nope. Anyway, okay, and I wanted to add a little comparison to the Makita. That's the Makita. It does the same thing as the Olsa Tools. Not sure if it does the demagnetizing though. Let's try it. Let's see, this is magnetized. Alright. Let's try the Makita. See if it somehow demagnetizes as well. It does. It does. Very nice. So we've learned that the Makita does that as well. But these are, I don't think these are available anymore. The Olsa Tools, they are available. I just got these in the 2-pack. I forget how much they were. Maybe they were 10 bucks for the 2-pack. But anyway, I wanted to add that little bit for you guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Let's give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get one of these, I'll leave a link in the bottom. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.